What if avoiding burnout could be the game changer the SEO team desperately needs? In today's video, we're diving into effective strategies for preventing employee burnout and stress in the high-pressure world of SEO. You'll learn how to keep your team motivated, healthy, and consistently productive. And here's why you should stick around until the end. We'll show you how our white-label SEO partnership can help you alleviate the pressure on your team, allowing them to focus on what they do best while we handle the heavy lifting. In the SEO industry, where deadlines are tight and the competition is fierce, burnout can creep up on the most passionate teams. But preventing burnout isn't just about reducing stress, it's about fostering a work environment where your team can thrive. Today, we're exploring actionable strategies that can help you keep your SEO team healthy, motivated, and at the top of their game. Recognize the signs of burnout early. The first step in preventing burnout is recognizing it early. Burnout often starts with suitable signs like decreased enthusiasm, a drop in productivity, or frequent absenteeism. As an SEO manager or agency leader, it's crucial to be aware of these signs so you can address them before they become bigger issues. Regular check-in with your team can help you spot these red flags early on. But there's one often overlooked sign of burnout that could be silently sabotaging your team productivity. Stay tuned to learn more. Second, promote work-life balance. One of the most effective ways to prevent burnout is by promoting healthy work-life balance. Because SEO is a demanding field, but that doesn't mean your team should be working around the clock. Encourage your employees to set boundaries, take regular breaks, and unplug after work hours. Flexible work schedules and remote work option can also help reduce stress and give your team the space they need to recharge.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
Third, set realistic expectations in the SEO world. It's easy to set ambitious goals, but it's important to ensure they're realistic. Overloading your team with unrealistic expectations is a surefire way to lead them to burnout. Instead, set achievable targets that challenge your team without overwhelming them. This might involve breaking down the larger project into smaller, more manageable tasks, or resisting deadlines to ensure they're reasonable. But even with realistic goals, there are another factor that plays a big role in preventing burnout, and sometimes that can make or break your team performance. We'll reveal that shortly. Number 4, encourage open communication. Here, creating a culture of open communication is key to prevent burnouts. Alright? Your team should feel comfortable, and you need to voice the concern, whether it's all about the workload, the deadline, or personal stress. Because regular team meetings and one-on-one check-ins are great opportunities to foster this dialogue. By actively listening and responding to your team needs, you can help alleviate stress before it escalates. Alright, fifth, provide mental health resources. Providing access to mental health is a proactive way to support your team's well-being. This could include offering subscriptions to motivated apps, organizing stress management workshops, or providing access to counseling services. Okay? Demonstrating that you care about your employees' mental health not only helps prevent burnout, but also builds a stronger, more loyal team.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
6. Recognize and reward hard work. Recognition goes a long way in preventing burnout. So when your team feels appreciated for their hard work, it boosts morale and motivation. This can be as simple as giving a shout out during a team meeting, or offering performance bonuses, or even organizing a small celebrations for achieving their key milestone. Alright? So regular recognition helps your team feel valued and reducing the risk of burnout. Preventing burnout is about more than just releasing stress. It's about creating a supportive environment where your SEO team can thrive. And that's where we come from. Our white label SEO partnership is designed to take some of the pressure of your team by providing expert supports on projects, allowing them to focus on what they do best without the added stress, okay? If you found this burnout prevention tips useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification so you don't miss any of my future content. And if you're ready to give your SEO team the support they need to avoid burnout, consider partnering with us, okay? Our white label SEO services are here to lighten the load and to keep your team focused and stress-free. Drop a comment below and share how you help your team manage stress.